Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey, Mia. I've been dealing with a bit of a situation at work. There's this colleague who's been a real pain lately.
Oh no, Thomas, that doesn't sound fun. What's been going on?
Well, this colleague, let's call him Mike, he's been taking credit for my ideas in meetings. It's like he's playing a real-life version of copycat.
That's frustrating, Thomas. Have you tried talking to Mike about it?
I did, Mia. I approached him and said, "Hey, Mike, let's give credit where it's due." But he just laughed it off and said, "Oh, you're too sensitive."
Ugh, that's not cool at all. Sounds like he's not the best friend at work. Have you considered talking to your supervisor about it?
Yeah, I've thought about it. But I don't want to seem like I'm tattling. It's such a tricky situation.
I get it, Thomas. It's important to handle it professionally. Maybe document instances where this happens, so you have evidence if needed.
That's a good idea. I'll start keeping track of everything. By the way, have you ever dealt with a difficult coworker?
Oh, definitely. There was this lady, let's call her Karen. No offense to actual Karens out there. She was the office complainer. Nothing was ever good enough for her. I just tried to stay positive and not let her get to me.
Haha, Karen the complainer. Sounds like a tough character to handle. Did you ever find a way to make it more manageable?
I did, Thomas. I focused on building strong relationships with other coworkers who shared my positive outlook. We formed a sort of positivity squad that helped counteract Karen's negativity.
That's a clever approach, Mia. The Positivity Squad sounds like a great way to deal with challenging colleagues. Thanks for the tip.
You're welcome, Thomas. Just remember, you're not alone in facing workplace challenges. And sometimes, a little humor can go a long way in diffusing tense situations.
That's true, Mia. Humor can be a lifesaver. Thanks for the support. I'll keep working on this, and hopefully, things will get better. Mia, I've been thinking about this whole situation, and I realized something. Maybe Mike's behavior isn't about me at all. Maybe he's just trying to impress our boss.
That's an interesting perspective, Thomas. It's possible he's feeling the pressure to stand out in the workplace.
Exactly. So, I'm thinking of offering to collaborate with him on a project. Maybe if he sees me as an ally rather than competition, things might improve.
That's a brilliant idea, Thomas. Teamwork can often dissolve those rivalry feelings. Plus, it could lead to some great ideas together.
I'm hopeful that it'll work. It's better than the constant stress of dealing with workplace politics. By the way, Mia, have you ever had to navigate office politics?
Oh, for sure. Office politics can be like a maze, right? I once had a boss who played favorites, and it was like a real-life episode of a TV drama.
Haha, a workplace drama series. How did you handle it?
Well, I focused on my work, built good relationships with colleagues, and kept my professionalism intact. In the end, hard work and integrity usually pay off.
That's a wise approach, Mia. I'll take that advice to heart. Thanks for being such a great friend to talk to about all this.
Anytime, Thomas. Friends are there to support each other, whether it's in the office or in life. Just remember, you've got this.
Thanks, Mia. You're awesome. And if I ever need more advice, I know who to turn to. Hey, Mia. Quick update on the Mike situation. I followed your advice and reached out to him for collaboration on a project.
That's great to hear, Thomas. How did it go?
Surprisingly well, actually. He seemed open to the idea, and we even came up with a few good project proposals together.
That's fantastic news, Thomas. Collaboration can often break down those competitive barriers. It sounds like you found a way to turn things around.
I couldn't have done it without your support and advice, Mia. Sometimes, all we need is a friendly ear and some guidance.
I'm glad I could be that friend for you, Thomas. Remember, workplace challenges are a part of life. But with the right approach, they can be opportunities for growth.
Absolutely, Mia. And speaking of opportunities, I've been thinking about taking some online courses to improve my skills. Have you ever taken any interesting online courses?
Oh, definitely. Online courses are a fantastic way to learn and grow. I've taken courses on everything from digital marketing to photography. It's like having a world of knowledge at your fingertips.
That sounds incredible, Mia. I'm thinking of enrolling in a project management course to enhance my skills. Who knows, it might open up new doors for me in the future.
That's a smart move, Thomas. Continuous learning is the key to staying ahead in your career. Plus, it's a great way to meet people who share your interests.
You're absolutely right, Mia. Well, it's been a pleasure discussing all this with you. I feel more confident about my work situation now.
I'm glad to hear that, Thomas. Remember, I'm here whenever you need to chat or seek advice. Keep up the great work, and here's to a brighter future at work.